Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread croutons. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees F and letting the cornbread cool completely before cutting. Cut the loaf into roughly 1-inch cubes so each piece browns evenly. Toss the cubes gently with oil or melted butter and add salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika for warmth. Spread in a single layer on a baking sheet for best airflow and consistent crisping. Pick a seasoning theme before you toss the cornbread so every cube is flavorful from the first bite. For a classic savory route, mix smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of salt. For something richer, add grated Parmesan and dried Italian herbs with black pepper. If you want a lively contrast, sprinkle chili powder and lime zest for brightness. Taste a sample and adjust seasoning lightly before baking for best balance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tips coming. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make storing croutons and leftover sides effortless and mess-free, perfect for packing salads or lunches. They stack neatly and keep crisp textures separated from dressings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake the seasoned cornbread cubes for about 12 to 18 minutes, shaking or stirring halfway through so they brown evenly without burning. Keep an eye after the 10-minute mark because ovens vary and you want golden edges, not charcoal. Transfer croutons to a cooling rack immediately so air circulates and they maintain crispness. Once cooled, store in an airtight container at room temperature and use within 2 weeks for peak texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.